Hello, Rico. This is a new way of giving you reflections on your homework. I hope you would enjoy it and it could be a better help for your study. First of all, thank you for sending me your homework in time. And I would advise you to type it into a Word document next time. First, because it's easier for you to retype something if you want to. Secondly, you can edit your text nicely. So what you can see here, I put your text into a Word document. I applied Times New Roman letter type and 12 size, and that's it. Well, anyway, the paragraphing was from your text, so I can see that you have edited your text, and that's nice. You can easily count your words as well with the help of this program. So as you can see, I typed down that it's 223 words, so perfect length, not less, not more than needed. I really liked your composition because it's full of high level vocabulary, which we learned during the past lessons. There are a couple of mistakes which we need to clarify. Now let's see what are these. So first here you write they look like the same. We don't need like because after like we put a noun and the same is an adjective. You can either say look the same, or you can even say that look the same as each other. Yeah, so that's the whole expression. If you remember the comparative structure, that Tom was the same age as Mary. Yes, this is the structure which you can use here as well. So they look the same as each other, or just they look the same. The other one here in this sentence, people regard Matthias comes across as very confident. Comes across, that's a verb. So you can't put into between two as like an adjective. Ugye ez itt egy ige, és akkor nem rakjuk ide, mint egy melléknevet. Probably you wanted to write that people regard Mercy as a person who comes across as very confident. Ugye, tehát inkább szerintem ezt akartad írni, hogy úgy tekintenek rá, mint egy olyan emberre, aki nagyon magabiztosnak tűnik. Ez jön át, hogy nagyon magabiztos. Ugye, ez az a comes across. Okay, when you say find something, then you could put here, find it easy, right? Azt valamilyennek tartja, tehát ez ide kell ez az így. He finds it easy to talk. You skipped a preposition here, so Marty and Laura hates being in the center of attention. And the other one, when we go doing something, yeah, we don't need to. Yeah, oh, sorry, my cursor was in another place. So we don't need to put it to here. You either say I go shopping, or I go to do the shopping, right? Or I go to shop with her. But that's better. Go shopping, meaning the whole activity, the feeling, the time spending together. And if you remember, we've got three alternatives what to do with have structure. And now what is instead of a noun. So you would say that have with what she needs to wear. Okay. These clothes belong to Laura, so you need a possessive structure here. Laura's clothes. And average meaning átlagos. Ezzel nem teszünk foghatározót. Milyen tud lenni az a nagyon átlagos? Olyan nincsen, hogy nagyon átlagos. Átlagos van. Jó? Általában átlagos, olyat mondhatsz, mondjuk ha ilyet akarsz mondani, akkor Laura's clothes are usually average, or Laura's clothes are average as usual. For example, de ez is olyan fura, mert na, szóval inkább annyi jelleg lenne, hogy are average, I think. Yeah. However, után mindig oda rakunk egy veszőt. And, okay, itt ugyanaz a Goes Entertaining esete, mint a Go Shopping. Most akkor oldjuk meg a másikat, tehát vagy azt mondod, hogy Goes Entertaining, vagy azt mondod, hogy Goes to Entertain, és hogy önmagát szórakoztatni, to entertain himself, akkor. Right. A like-ige után emlékszel, hogy használunk gerundot, so I like talking, és ne a with prepozíciót használd, mert az a brit angolban lenéző, az amerikában nincs ez a stílus, úgyhogy inkább mondd azt, hogy like talking to, ezt úgy próbáld megjegyezni, hogy a talk, speak, ezek után inkább a tut mondjad, mert akkor egy britet se fogsz megsérteni. She's an amazing friend, and látod, egy she van, akkor azt mondjuk, hogy let's me down. Okay. Vagy ha azt akartad írni, hogy ez idáig még soha nem, akkor ugye azt mondtad volna, hogy she has never let me down. Right. Mit is akartam itt a végén? But when I need to talk and yeah, I do eat with, ugye azt teszem narával. Oké. Egyébként tényleg nagyon szép, ez egy hosszú szöveg volt, nem volt egyszerű, nagyon gyönyörű szókincset használtál, remélem mikor írtad, akkor a fejedből írtad, csak így tovább, Réka, ez nagyon szép volt. Kapsz erre a házi feladatra 3 pontot az októberben. Goodbye, have a good day.